Hey there. I hope you can hear me in this wind. I have no little dead cat muff to put on my phone. I'm at K6672 Fish Point State Game Area in Sebring, Michigan. If you look at the map, we're shaped like the mitten. And it's at the tip of the thumb. Got nothing to clean, no waterfowl to clean there. It was a circuitous route getting here. It was a nightmare. Hit nothing with old Ting Ting. My antenna I named Ting Ting. Ting Ting hit nothing. And oh my God, I thought Google was insane. But then I realized no, Blows was insane. Google's just taking me exactly where I asked it to. I passed 1 million farms growing agriculture and electricity. I couldn't believe it. I passed 100 trillion windmills. Let's go see what we can do. Ooh, it's a chilly one out here tonight, and the sun's about to set on Blozo. And I figured I'd have a good response from this location, man. It's out in the middle of nowhere. No one in their right mind would want to come here unless they're coming here to vacation in the summer. But check it out. Page 1, page 2, page 3. I did 3 pages in the log and had a good old time. So that's the end of, God, it's hard to believe, man. Outing 7. Outing 7. From Chuckles and Ting Ting. My antenna Ting Ting. 73.